Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here with Charlie, who pushed us out of the way, to unbox some Luukaa.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, haven't
Look,
seen...
he keeps kicking me. He's
He
like,
is.
look at, he's sprawled out.
Move it, move
We
it.
had to shovel to this side of the
Oh,
couch.
he's the king of the house. He is.
The house, speaking of houses.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful, but it's so lovely. I never ever want to move again. You have to drag me out with a crane. It's been, like we talked about before, we've moved many times with our family and we all had water beds and all that. And I was
that's right.
Remember? It
Yeah.
had to be emptied the night
I
before.
loved water beds. Do you remember how
know.
nice and warm it would get? And you'd be like,
You could boil an
Why
egg.
don't they have
You
them
could boil
anymore?
an egg in them.
why don't they have them anymore?
I have no idea.
Until you had a leak, ladies.
Until you had a leak, which we had happen too. Anyway, I was always in such control. I had it all organized and it would be done lickety-split. This move, it's taking everything out of me, and I have a lot of energy, as you know.
Yeah.
But I think what it is, we have two households, and before we moved in together, we already went to the Amity with a lot of stuff. But now we're putting it together. It's crazy. We each have bedding for 3 beds in his house, 3 bedrooms in my house. So Christmas stuff, I mean, you name it, dishes and dishes. And Tessa and Ryan came and helped, and you were so good. Because I was even overwhelmed in what to do with the kitchen, because now all of a sudden I have a huge space in my kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen.
It's beautiful. Oh, the whole house has such a good feel.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. And now finally, after about 6 days we're in, we see through all, it's still chaotic, but we see the beauty and the possibility of this house.
Oh,
it's just
so
amazing.
beautiful.
So we still have painters in that are finishing up from the guys that we fired.
Yeah, they had issues. Did you talk about that with the ladies?
I can't remember. I've
In your
talked
house
about the
tour?
house so much.
Luusia just
but-
dropped a house tour this past Saturday, ladies. So if you missed it, go to our YouTube channel and you can see it right
Empty.
before she moved in. That's what
Yeah.
it looked like.
And it's going to be a while before we do another one, because I want it to be just so. So painters are going to be there probably for another 10 days to finish off what the other yo-yos
I was
didn't
going to
do.
say, you always say Yokos, the Yokos.
And I think we've got a really good set of guys. And then the electrician did an amazing job. Imagine wiring a whole house. But we moved in and he said, I'm going to Italy for a month. And there's still, all the light fixtures are not up, but that's okay, because he did such an amazing job. So when he's back, then the light fixtures will go up, and then I'm sure the house will be all.
Well, a lot of the light fixtures are up. You're all set. Some aren't, I guess, but not.
The most beautiful ones.
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah.
I haven't seen those yet.
No, but anyway, it's gorgeous. And Tessa and Ryan were amazing. Ryan put beds together, and Ruby helped. And
Yeah, it was fun.
very grateful.
It was
and
nice.
it was fun.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, and the patio, oh my goodness.
So nice.
The backyard, the patio, we've set out every night. We have a little party, and the neighbors come over the fence and ask how we're doing. And Clem
It's a great
sits out
neighborhood.
early in the morning. He reads his book, and he had a visit from a raccoon. He said it was this big,
Oh, yeah, that's right.
and it basically walked right by him.
Ladies, watch this Friday because we're going to do a little vlog, a day in the life of Luusia. So you're going to see a little bit of the behind the scenes with Luusia.
Okay, well, I have
This Friday.
I have no idea what flocking is, but I'm sure it sounds like painful.
We'll teach you.
Flocking.
Well, last Friday I had a vlog. Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it yet, love, but I will. I'm sure it's great. I'm excited.
She always gets
Something
mad
new.
at me when I don't watch her videos.
I do not. You have a busy
So
life.
now I can be upset with you that you're not watching my videos.
You know, no. But
Yeah. Oh, I have to
you
say
know,
something else.
yeah, I have to say something. You know that we've been without a TV for a week.
Is it nice?
It's nice, but the problem is we're so tired. 8:30, we say we cannot go to bed before 10. 9 o'clock we say, let's go to bed and read. 10 after 9, we're out like a
Passed
light.
out.
Then we're up at 5 in the morning because you only need so much sleep. Anyway, it's a funny experience.
So if you have a TV, you're kind of numbing away there for
Well,
an hour.
the US Open is on, right?
Yeah.
So I would be awake for
Watching that, yeah.
But we're kind of out.
I wanted to say about my video last week of the Blondie. You did message me on Tuesday when I did the video on the Blondie collection. So you did recognize
Thank
my
you.
video.
I watched it and I loved what you did. So I think
Thank
you
you.
should do more videos without me.
All right, sounds good. I don't mind. But ladies, I said to Luusia, she said for this unboxing, I said, why don't you pick something from the new Blondie collection? And look what she picked. The one I said I knew she would love.
Oh yeah, you said that.
I knew she would love
adore
it.
it. And I see what you meant with the herringbone.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's got a beautiful texture.
Yeah.
And
So
I love
I'm sure
the
that's
little-
going home to Nora's place today.
Well, yeah, for sure.
But you look lovely, and this is the new Majestic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I
the
love
tassels
that too, the gold
and the
and
gold.
the gold collection, the one
We're
that
starting
you
to bring some
wore.
gold in here, ladies. I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's good, Tessa.
And then look at how beautiful that we unboxed yesterday.
Oh, look at that.
This is the new Ziska Bliss. And look at the
and
new
the
earrings.
Oh my
A new
goodness.
style, the tube earrings.
And what is this?
And this is the cut loose that you did last week.
My God.
Lots of new things coming in, ladies, every day.
Yeah. I haven't been in the boutique for 5 days, I think.
She's
and
excited.
It's like, wow.
It's like Christmas
No,
every day.
really. No, really.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's unbelievable.
And wait till you see this Luukaa today.
Did we buy it together?
No,
I think we did.
no,
Okay.
no, but you're gonna be blown away.
I think so.
I
You
probably I showed you. I always take pictures of myself, ladies, when I'm doing
Yeah,
trying
you do.
on, and then I send to her to
Yeah.
get her input.
I was moving, putting stuff away, and in the meantime, I had to
Last
say.
week.
Anyway,
That was the day I did my vlog. Okay, so here we go. You ready?
I am, totally.
Very exciting. There's a little rhyme to the reason for all of this. So first of all, a fabulous vest.
Oh, Tessa.
I know.
Oh, Mamma Mia, this is beautiful.
And feel the fabric. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yes. Oh, I love this. They do this so well.
Yeah.
You know, with all the details.
Yeah, and then plain in the
And
black,
plain
which
in the
is
black,
nice.
but the beautiful lines.
Lots
nice
of
and
structural.
long. How does the sizing go again with Luukaa?
So they are 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's
No.
a 0.
Extra small.
Yeah, but it's a 0.
Oh, we put that on,
But we
yeah.
put extra small on so the ladies can.
See, nice pockets. Oh my
Nice
goodness.
pockets.
Love, love, love.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I can't wait to style this.
I know. Yeah, we'll style it tomorrow for you, ladies.
Yeah.
And look at, feel this. This is like that travel fabric.
Yeah, that European.
It's
Oh,
it's very
this,
stretchy
Tessa.
and then taffeta.
Look at this.
Yeah,
That is so cute.
I know.
That peeks out.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so 2 beautiful vests, ladies, and this gorgeous dress to go underneath.
What beauty is this?
Wait till we put it together for you. It is
Tessa.
absolutely gorgeous.
Oh my goodness, this is a knit and
Yeah.
woven.
And this is the same, sorry, Charlie. This is the same fabric as the vest here in the gray vest.
Yeah.
So
So
over
you
top
can-
it looks stunning.
Oh.
Stunning.
Oh, oh, oh.
And then this piece I could not resist. We love our long cardigans, ladies.
Yes, we
Okay,
do.
cozy, comfy.
Oh, yes. Good for you. Oh, look at that
I
different
know.
fabric. And the
So you can wear this
pocket.
over the dress as well, or just
Yeah.
over anything, jeans.
Yeah, and you know that they put pockets in everything, right? I love that from these guys.
Yeah. Beautiful
Beautiful.
fit. Look at the darts here.
Oh yeah, oh
Yeah.
yeah, so many details.
So many.
Oh, I see mesh.
Now, oh yeah, okay, so here we'll do the mesh next. So look at scarf and the
Oh.
sleeves.
My
It's a set. We had this set last year in different fabric, but this is the cream of the crop.
Oh my goodness, Tessa.
And then look at this.
What is this?
So it's a
Oh.
mesh tunic with a tank top attached to it.
Oh my gosh.
So you have a nice cover. So
Love,
beautiful.
love, love,
Yeah.
love.
Gorgeous.
Oh.
And then you can wear the scarf and midi set with it if you like.
Yeah,
Or the scarf and midi set with the plain black dress.
totally.
We'll style this up perfect tomorrow. Now we're talking.
Oh, my
It's so
God.
exciting, ladies.
It is, it is.
So this is an amazing scrumptious piece, apparently the best travel fabric,
Yes.
they told me.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous
Oh,
color.
the color.
And the fabric, ladies, it feels
Honest to God,
amazing.
It feels like velvet, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
So this will be great to style up.
imagine this, taking this on your trip.
I know.
You wear it on the airplane,
And it's
you
all
know.
crunchy.
And a nice neckline, Tessa, look.
Texture, beautiful neckline.
Little stand
Raw edge.
Beautiful.
Cut.
Beautiful.
Drop sleeve, ladies.
Yeah. Skinny jeans.
Yeah. This is a small medium, and then I think there's a large extra large.
Oh, I like that.
You want it that nice oversized fit,
Exactly.
you know. And then I got this color for Luusia, of course. The
Oh.
purple fur, look at the purple for my necklace. And this
Oh,
color
yeah.
for Luusia.
Oh, love it.
What did they call it?
I'd be curious.
Beige.
Beautiful.
Beige is kind of boring, hey? We need a better name.
Yeah, I like stone.
Yeah.
But stone is a little lighter.
Look at this purple on that stone color. Look at that.
Oh,
Isn't that
mama.
gorgeous?
That is beautiful.
That is stunning.
Beautiful. I see something black.
And then last but not least, my fave.
Oh, well, that's yours.
It's got my name on it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful with the purple.
Yeah.
All right, ladies, we hope you enjoyed this video of our little unboxing of the new Luukaa, beautiful brand. We will be styling it up tomorrow, so watch out for that, me and Luusia together. Hopefully.
We'll have to do a little, what are you gonna wear?
Oh yeah, who's gonna do what?
She's gonna run right now and pick
the
her,
dress.
Pick her outfits.
The dress and the vest.
For sure.
Maybe we'll both wear it.
Okay.
Okay, have an amazing day. Please thumbs up if you like the video. And thank you so much for your comments, ladies. Please keep them coming. We love your comments. We read them all. And as always,
Keep on smiling.